Hi, everybody. Hope you're doing well at home. Today, for a little assignment, I thought maybe since it's spring, we can grow some stuff on the inside. So I'm going to show you how to grow some lettuce if you happen to have it. And you will just need these simple ingredients, a bowl, ta-da, some water for the bowl, ta-da, and some lettuce. And all you're going to do is peel off some of the leaves just to make it down a little bit. So I'm just peeling these off. That's good. You just want the little bit here at the bottom. And I'm just going to put it in a bowl and add some water. Just a little bit ways up. You don't need a whole lot. So just a little bit. And then put it in front of a window. Hey, so it's been sitting in the window now for a couple of days. And I just want to bring it in closer, and I'll lower this. So you can see, look at all this new growth that has happened. So it's been there maybe 4 days. And you can see, if I tilt it up, the water's changed a bit green. And when you look, if you can come in close, you can see the little roots that are coming out. And this is where the water is being absorbed in. So I'm going to let it sit here in the water for maybe another week. And then I'm going to plant it in a flower pot, and I'll be able to grow nice lettuce all year. So let me know let me know if you tried it. And if you have grown some and you've gotten some leaves, I would love it if you took a picture and posted it in your portfolio. Anyways, something easy to do and maybe a little bit of fun for the spring. Have a nice day, and I hope to see your growing.